Hello my poraholic friends, I am Loida, the queen of embellished pores and the creator of loveacrylicpainting.com. Today I have a failed pour which I turned into a beautiful glow-in-the-dark angel dress.
The herald angels sing, glory to that newborn king.
So you're gonna see basically, all the fails, all the things that I did before I actually made this dress. This painting was actually supposed to be something completely different. It was supposed to be a baby in a manger with the rays from the star like shining down onto the manger, but it didn't work out.
I failed.
So I turned it into an angel dress, and I actually like how it turned out, even though I was disappointed that I didn't get what I was, going for.
Imagine how disappointed I am.
However, let me tell you that I did succeed into making this baby in a manger scenery painting, and I will be showing that to you in a video that is going to be coming up soon. So make sure you're subscribed and click that notification bell on the corner so that you can get notified when that video is up. Now let's get on with the video. This is Chantilly lace mixed with a little bit of glow-in-the-dark powder. This one is black iris. It's a Prism pour paint, and I added a little bit of black paint from Artist Loft to make it look a little bit darker. This one is Northern Sky from also a Prism pour paint, and this one is Frozen. It's also a Prism pour paint from Colourarte. All of these paints were mixed with some varathane polyurethane plus a little bit of water to make them a little bit more fluid. Now let's start painting. So I'm just going to add a black top coat to my canvas. I wanted to have a dark background, and this was actually a failed painting. I actually was trying to do something completely different, and because I kept failing at it, I kept messing around with the paint and the technique until I finally got something that I liked. So here I was hoping to drag all these colors with the little chain that I had, and obviously it didn't work. So now I added a little bit more paint, and then I grabbed one of my necklaces, and that didn't work either. So then I was like, okay, what else can I do? Okay, let's do a swipe with a cell activator that I had just sitting there for quite a while. So I started swiping with that cell activator. I wasn't sure if it was going to work because it had been sitting for a long time and it was pretty thick, but I didn't have time to do anything to it because I already had my paint on there. So I was like, what the heck, I can't ruin it any more than it's already ruined, so let's just give it a try. And since it started looking like a dress, I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna make it an angel dress. I'm just gonna add some wings on the side, and that's what you see me doing right here. Basically, I just added some colors, swiped again with the white cell activator to kind of make it look like wings. Since we're close to Christmas, I was like, okay, we're just gonna make this an angel dress. And guess what? It actually turned out pretty nice, but here I'm still trying to fix my wings, still trying to make them look more like wings. And then I started to add even more stuff to it, which I don't know if it was a good idea. I think it was. I started adding some glass glitter on the edges of the dress to just kind of make it look more sparkly, to make it look like it had a little bit of ice on it. And so I think it was a pretty good idea, obviously because I added it while the paint was still wet. some of that glass glitter was colored. Basically, it picked up the colors that were underneath. So some of it looks a little bit dark, you know, from the black, purplish. And then here is the final result. I decided to actually add a coat of resin in the middle, just in the middle where the dress part is. So I didn't add anything on the outside. It was just in the middle where I had those borders, basically inside those borders of glass glitter. And I actually really like this effect because the outside is flat, the inside is nice and glossy, kind of looks like a 3D dress just jumping out of the canvas, and the glass glitter just sparkles so much that it's just beautiful. And the colors, the Prism Pour colors, they are just absolutely amazing. And now look at this. Oh my gosh, that glow-in-the-dark powder just made this dress amazing. So this is my angel wing dress. I hope you like it. I'll see you in my next video.